Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a couple of hours ago, AMD released its new graphics driver update, version 26.6.2 for Windows 10 and Windows 11. And my reason for posting is because just a couple of hours later, AMD has confirmed that there is quite a major issue with the new driver on non-Windows 11 PCs. So that would be Windows 10 PCs, and is failing to launch properly. So if we head over to the announcement, it says users running Windows 10 and AMD software, Adrenaline Edition 26.6.2 may encounter yellow bang in Device Manager affecting AMD Radeon RX series graphics. So it says after installing AMD software Adrenaline Edition 26.62, the AMD software fails to launch and displays the following message. And this is the message that's been displayed. It says the version of AMD software that you have launched is not compatible with your currently installed AMD graphics driver. So that's the error message. And if we head back to the announcement, AMD says that its engineers are currently investigating this issue and it will provide a fix once it is available. And it does suggest that affected users may revert to AMD software Adrenaline Edition 26.6.1 as a temporary workaround. And just the link for the previous driver. And I'll leave this page in the description for you to get easy access and reference if you so wish. So just giving you a quick heads up that if you are running Windows 10, that AMD has now confirmed that issue. And obviously if I get any more information or a fix becomes available, I'll post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.